when you're thinking multi-spindle machines, you're probably thinking millions and millions of parts. Well, that's changed somewhat, so I want to dispel that myth today, and with Rocco from Tornos Technology, you look after the Multiswiss range of machines.
Correct.
How many of them do you have?
We have 3 different machines, 616, 632 and 826 that we have here.
Okay, so when you say 826,
Six, yeah.
so that's eight spindles.
8 spindle, 26 millimeter capacity.
Okay, so a lot of different varieties
Correct,
there. Okay, when I'm looking at this machine, as I said right at the beginning, to be cost effective, or I need to make millions and millions of parts?
No, this is not longer true. Today we have customers working every other day, they change setup thanks to a quick change tool holder and easy programming.
So they're doing batches of 1,000, 2,000
even few hundred sometimes, yes.
Wow, that's absolutely amazing. I'm thinking the changing of the setup of these machines must be really difficult.
No, it's really easy because you can reset the tool offline and then you put in, and also you can do all the correction directly on the control, TB Deco.
So in a nutshell, it's very, very simple.
Yeah, very simple.
Okay,
yeah.
Now we're standing in front of the machine, but you can actually get in there. So you've built the machine around the engineer.
Correct.
Okay.
Today, our best sales guy is the engineer, because if they are happy, they will recommend again the machine. So everything is built around them.
Okay, so you can open this door right up and get right in there.
Yeah, this is really a big advantage, as you can see. You have no oil dropping on your head. You can easily change the tool. So
nice and easy. When you say the tools, you've got 8 spindles. How many tools can you have?
We can put 3 tools on each position, some live or some fixed tool.
Right, so driven tooling, fixed tooling, so you can make some really complex parts.
Yeah, we can. We can do from very simple to very complex medical parts.
Okay, you say medical parts. What other industries do you cover?
Mainly we were covering automotive, but today a lot of change with the new regulations, so we are also very performing in aerospace, with electronics today, and today also medical.
Okay then, I'm thinking with those sort of industries though, you need to be making really complex parts, but really accurate parts. What sort of tolerances and what sort of machine processes?
We can hold up to plus minus 5 micron in diameter, yes.
Okay, so super accurate part. But with a machine this size, well, the footprint itself, is that an issue? And also the actual thermal growth, is that a problem?
We control the oil within 1 degree.
Right.
So this is allowed the machine to be very precise.
Right. Okay.
And we are also successful, for instance, in watch industry, where we are fighting with microns.
Oh, okay, that's fine. And also the footprint of the machine, you've thought about that when it's been built?
Yeah, this is really a great advantage of this machine, because with the footprint of multi-spindle, actually it's 3-4 times less than a single spindle.
Right, so essentially I've got 8 machines in one.
Exactly. Basically, you have the same footprint as a single spindle, but you produce 4 to 5 times more.
Okay, you're producing 4 to 5 times more. I'm thinking, having enough bar in the machine, is it easy to load? Can it take a lot of bar?
Yeah, the machine is self-autonomous. With the machine you can have up to 100 bar in the machine.
Wow.
With the normal version, but we have also a bundle bar where you can load up to 1 ton material inside.
Okay, so you make it nice and simple for the engineer to make millions of parts if required.
Correct.
Or small batch runs every single day.
Correct, yeah.
Okay. What about, again, looking in here, it's a fantastic setup. Is it easy for me to program?
Yeah, the program is quite a basic, because it's like programming 8 times a 3-axis machine. So even simpler than a single spindle.
Okay, and what sort of programming system do you use? Is it something other engineers are used to?
Yes, we use a TB Deco. It's our own program now on the market since 25 years, but actually using 95% of the standard G code.
Right, so it's the first time I bought one of these machines, very simple transition.
Correct.
What sort of size parts will this make?
So normally with the multi-spindle we do a part with the ratio diameter length 4 times.
Okay.
But now in MO we are proud to present a new version with a tailstock where we can double this size, so up to 8 times diameter.
8 times diameter?
Yeah,
okay.
correct.
And also different types of parts, like ball screws, for example?
Yes, exactly. This is what we present today, a long bone screw.
Yep.
And we have 2 thread whirling attachments inside to do this bone screw.
Again, making even more complex parts.
And faster.
Okay, so we said about the axis, it's Y-axis as well?
Yeah, this machine can go with up to 6 Y-axis, so great capability in terms of a lot of tool and easy to adjust them.
Okay, so again, just to emphasise, lots of parts and complex parts and super accurate.
Yeah.
But if I want to do working on the back, do you have a sub spindle?
Yeah, we do have a sub spindle, and the sub spindle can work with up to 4 tools in back operation, 2 live tool and 2 fixed.
Right. Rocco, that's a great overview of the Multiswiss suite of products. So essentially making super complex parts, thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of parts. That's at Tornos Technology. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome.